Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are in Valrico, Florida here this morning. We are at our second job. We had a house wash this morning. Now we have a pull cage. I'm going to walk you around and show you this. This pull cage is pretty bad, but we'll get it done. And we'll walk around and show you what we got. Alright, so here's the outside. See all the green algae growth on the outside of the pool. And this pool deck is pretty bad. So we got the pool deck coming along here. Little screen, you can see a lot of green algae up there. Okay, well, that's our project here this morning on this one, so let's get moving with it. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. We'll walk around and show you what it looks like now. Oh, so much better. Yep. Deck's all nice and clean. Okay, so we're off to our third job for today. We'll see you there.